In the clearing of the clouds, the colors come alive. Each ray a promise lighting up the endless sky. The rhythmic hum of raindrops fading far behind leaves us with serenity, a healing state of mind. Sun after the rain, lifting shadows sway. The world once washed away, now dances into the day. Hopes are mending in the gentle morning's lullaby. In this tranquil after rain, horizon whispers high and of the storm, silence beats that song. Waves of calm cascading over, washing all that's wrong. The earth breathes a sigh of peace as colors start to flow. In the stillness of the dawn we find a glow. Sun after the rain, woven in the sound. Timeless dance with light and shade where solace is found. Constant shimmering, the red not too shown. In the gentle morning mist, each droplet tells its tale. Soft beats resonate through the sky, electronic calm, guiding moments as with nature's healing balm. Sun after the rain, outdoor washed anew. The gentle clouds of dreams on the skies of blue.